Hello, fellow translators. This is, as you can tell, a quick video. By the way, I'm in a hotel. We are in Hsinchu, which is another town in Taiwan. We're here for the weekend for some well-deserved R&R. By well-deserved, I mean my wife deserved it. Maybe I deserve it too. But here, let me show you Hsinchu quickly. It's a town just south of Taipei, and it's known as a techie town, and it has a lot of tech stuff going on. It's new and growing as well, and you can see McDonald's. No, wait, you can see, well, you can't see much except for a bunch of buildings. It's a whole lot of new stuff. Actually, I like it a lot. There's a lot going on, and a lot of new places and a lot of movement in this town. We're just here for the weekend, but it's still fun. Anyway, that's not why I'm making this video. I'm making this video because soon I will be interviewing someone on my channel. I already wrote this down in the community section, but I wanted to make a short video about it as well. I'm going to be interviewing someone specializing in CAT tools because I know this channel has lacked stuff about CAT tools, and I get asked questions all the time about CAT tools. Unfortunately, it's not really one of my specializations, and I feel like I should address it more. And so here, let me go sit down. And so I just wanted to address that more. And now I'm backlit. Sorry, I just keep, there we go. I just wanted to address it a bit more. And so I'm going to be having a chat with someone who specializes in CAT tools. So please let me know in the comments any questions you have about CAT tools, no matter how specific or how broad. I don't know how much I can get into the specifics, depending on how much time we have, but feel free to ask any questions you might have about different types of CAT tools, how you should use them, what you should be using, etc., etc. Any issues you've been having with CAT tools, ask them in the questions below so that I can ask them when I interview and when I have this talk with this CAT tool expert. It should be very interesting. I'll keep you guys informed as to when it's going to happen, but I kind of wanted to get your input ahead of time and see what the most pressing questions are, so I could, get stuff ready and hopefully have the most useful interview video that I can for you guys. So that's pretty much it. I'll leave you off now and I will get back to my vacation. Okay, thanks. Bye.